Prepare yourself to experience the danger of sharp cracks in the wood, while sawdust swirls like a hurricane. The giant machines work tirelessly, pushing your excitement to the limit. What are you waiting for? Let's dive in. Taking down a dead tree is no small feat. The sheer size makes this a challenge, but with expertise and careful planning, this dead tree's days are numbered. The Hypro 300 is a compact powerhouse designed for versatility in forestry. With its 45 horsepower engine, it efficiently debranches and cuts trees to size, all while offering ease of use. Ideal for small to mid-scale operations. Oh dear, no safety gear, blunt chainsaw. So that's all I see from this guy. It's crazy that he would cut a tree without any professional. I hope he's okay. That's incredible. Witness the full process of cutting down giant trembesite trees from start to finish. So these towering giants, reaching heights over 80 feet, require precision and skill. Truly a sight to behold. Oh my goodness, I wonder if this is an amazing stump puller. The P/5400 Multiflex is a beast in the world of industrial grinders. With up to 765 horsepower, this machine tackles everything from whole trees to construction debris, perfect for any challenging terrain. This moment clearly shows the full power and endurance of the machine. Hogging on difficult roads becomes a real challenge, but this truck does not give up.
Вот так вот. Как вам такие дела? Вот это техника.
Just when you think you've seen it all, along comes the self-propelled log splitter. So this beast of a machine powers through logs effortlessly, making wood splitting look like child's play. Let's watching it in action right now. With its impressive hydraulic system and a cutting capacity of up to 18 inches, it handles trees with ease. This machine delivers precise cuts and smooth operation, even in challenging conditions, making it a favorite for loggers everywhere. The Veets 01 single grip stump harvester is a beast for tackling stubborn stumps. With its high hydraulic power and precision grip, this harvester rips stumps from the ground effortlessly. It's designed for one-man operation, perfect for clearing land with minimal hassle. Navigating through dense woodlands, specialized vehicles like forwarders and skidders are vital for efficiently moving timber from remote locations. So they tackle rugged terrain with ease. The rhythmic sounds of machinery blend with the natural backdrop of the forest, creating an impressive scene. This method of transport is essential for getting timber from remote locations to processing facilities. Meet the Bandit 20X, a formidable wood chipper that turns towering trees into manageable mulch with astonishing efficiency. Powered by a robust 60-horsepower engine, this compact beast excels in reducing debris to mere chips in record time. This powerful machine is designed for heavy-duty wood splitting, featuring a robust engine with impressive horsepower to tackle even the toughest logs. Its user-friendly controls and durable construction make it a favorite among woodworkers and enthusiasts alike.
From intricate cuts to precise techniques, every move ensures the wood's hidden secrets are revealed, while preserving its beauty.